Hello and welcome back. So today we're going to take a look at the Asus Marshmallow keyboard and mouse. So I'm going to start with the mouse. So this is a wireless mouse, obviously, and it's got the silent click and it's got Bluetooth connection as well. And let's see what we have. This looks very nice. It comes in this oat milk combination, I guess, color. So I got this one because it matches the keyboard. And there we go. Wow, very silent. And if you notice, it's got this look, kind of like recycled plastic, or that's what it reminds me of. And yeah, and then let's see, it's got the green cover as well. This is, they've got a name for it. Green tea latte. Okay, so there's that one. And these are replaceable. They are held by magnets onto these screws. So these are the magnets. Looks like it's got the battery already. And if you want to just change it, do that. And there you go. Nice fit. Super silent. And yeah. I'm actually gonna keep the oat milk one. And before I put it back, so this is gonna be your wireless dongle. So it's got Bluetooth as well as the wireless connection. And I'm not sure what this does, but I'm gonna keep it here. Okay, and we've got it back. So this is the mouse. Oh. Okay, something doesn't fit. Oh, and there we go. And just before I put it aside, this is going to be your DPI buttons, basically to select the DPI. And then, let's see if we can get it on the camera. So it's got that Bluetooth symbol right there, off, and wireless. So we can do different connections. We'll get back to that. So this is the mouse, and let's have a look at the keyboard. So the keyboard only comes in one color. I mean, you don't have a cover or anything, obviously. So I got the oat milk one as well, so that matches the mouse. So let's have a look at this. Okay. Wow, it's very small, very compact. It is quite heavy actually, so it feels like it's sturdy. Yeah. And a very nice combination with the mouse. And this is a silent keyboard as well, so it doesn't have that typical click or key sound. It sounds very deep because it's on the desk right now, but otherwise it's very silent. So that's very nice. And what's interesting with this one, actually, it's got Bluetooth as well. And if you notice, you have 1, 2, 3. So basically you can connect it to 3 devices at the same time. So it allows you to switch between them. So that's super handy. And let's see if we've got a wireless dongle or something. Okay, so it seems like this is just a Bluetooth keyboard. No, did I get it right? Still not. Okay, and the on-off switch. And it's got this little feet here to raise it higher if needed, and it's padded. It's got the rubber as well, and these as well, so it keeps it from sliding off your desk. Very nice. So I'm actually impressed with the quality. It's really inexpensive for what you're getting, and you can get like a really nice setup. They have different colors, so you can mix and match. You can get usually 2 colors with the mouse, and then you can get like the keyboard in different colors. So let me just actually take to pull this out so we can turn on the mouse. And I'm gonna show you the light when you turn on the switch. So a bit tricky to put it back on. Okay, so now it's in the off position. Let's see if it focuses. Okay. Okay, so now it's using the wireless connection when it's blinking green. And maybe it's got the power saving mode because the light is actually not on. So that's cool. And then let's do the Bluetooth. There you go, so now it's blinking blue. That's cool. Okay, so that's off. And then let's do the keyboard. Pull here. So these take 2 AAA batteries. The mouse takes 1. No. Again. Okay. And then this is gonna be the on position, and there's a light on the front here to pair it basically. So that's gonna be your Bluetooth connection. I'm gonna do a review on this as well to see how it works and connect it to my laptop. And yeah. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.